Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bathroom clean with me. So before I get started on the cleaning, I'm going to show you what I'm working with. Like what? Obviously it is a little rough. This was right after I had given Michael a bath, so there is no extra clothes on the floor and stuff in the tub, but I mean the counter's a disaster and the toilet needed to be scrubbed and it was just gross, and this was much needed. I hope y'all enjoy cleaning with me. So I am starting out with the counter since that is the biggest disaster, and first I'm just putting away my flat iron. Next, I am opening my new contact case so I can retire my old one. And then I just had some of Michael's clothes that were getting too small on the counter, so I put those in a bag as well to be put elsewhere. Off to the side, I'm just making a pile of stuff that was in the bathroom that does not belong in the bathroom. Now I'm cleaning off my first section of countertop to wipe down. And if you've seen my previous cleaning videos, I am still using the Method Anti-Bac in the spearmint, and I am very pumped about this. Once that area was cleaned, I started putting stuff back and just wiping down other things that I saw that were dirty. Here I'm just starting in on the other side of the counter, so I'm taking the stuff that doesn't belong in the bathroom and putting it away, as well as grabbing some paper towels to clean the mirror with. Now I'm just going to clean the mirror with my Method glass cleaner. And now I'm just going to finish cleaning off the countertop. just starting in on cleaning the toilet using the Method Mint toilet cleaner. And then while that's setting, I am just picking up around the bathtub and then spraying down the toilet with the Method Anti-Bac as well. Next, I'm going to wipe down the side of the bathtub and then scrub the toilet. At the end, I did spray a little bit of the anti-bac in the bathtub just to rinse out when I shower. Does anyone else get really annoyed when stuff sticks to the bottom of your feet, especially when you're cleaning? Before I mop, I just wanted to make sure the bath toys were in order so I wasn't coming back into the bathroom after I mopped. And I just had to show you again that I'm mopping with Fabuloso because I swear by this stuff. It is just cleaning magic. Here is the final product, and of course it wouldn't be one of my cleaning videos without a cat. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.